You probably don't know that there's a new Volkswagen out that doesn't look like a Volkswagen.
All right, guys, today's technically the first day of the Cal-look cruise. We're here at Euromaster, which is like a garage shop, probably like a Midas or something, just for a meetup in Bad Camberg, getting ready with the guys to start rolling out. This is the lineup we're rolling with. Crazy story last night, as we're all, parked different places eating dinner, so parking's kind of crazy over here. Jim 67 gets backed into the Chinese food place and punches the front nose in. Bro, we can fix that. Lanny, we can fix that.
No problem.
Little bit of
drywall
buffing.
filler.
Nah,
That's a great diction.
so somebody backed in. Some guy backed into his car, so which is a super bummer. Got right-hand drive 67. We got right-hand drive 54. Right-hand drive 60 over here. And a right-hand drive, another 54. I realize all the bugs are right-hand drive.
Except, yeah, he is.
Well, it's not a bug. Lanny Husson.
It's a buggy.
That's a Gia.
Oh, really? It's different.
You understand, Lanny? These are bugs. These are bugs.
I thought that was a
These are
Porsche,
Gias.
Bill.
Yeah, nah. Some people do. Some people do.
Is that a 67?
Yeah, 67. 67 Gia. Jim, we're making fun of you and you can't even hear this. All right, Jim's had a rough day, so. Hey, that doesn't mean anything here. That's not German.
He's going to have to edit that now. For good morning. Over there, clearly.
Yeah. After our first day on the road, we all just kind of hung out in the hotel lobby for a minute, went grabbed some pizza later, and just called it a night.
I have a Volkswagen, Sam. You can drive this.
One of the guys, he asked me, can I have a ramp of your trailer? And I said, sure.
Oh, you are right?
No. That's all. Now, this is Tuesday when they were getting a lot of cars prepped for the road trip. The white car, they were having some issues with some spark plugs, or it wouldn't fire on a cylinder, and ultimately they found out that the electrode was closed on the spark plug, and they had to shim up the spark plug and get that situated. But that took a couple hours, and Lanny just racking his brain. Other than that, there was some minor car prep, and Dina was putting the final touches on the blue car. Most importantly, the DKP badge on the hood. but we spend pretty much the majority of the day in the parking lot across from the Wolfsburg Museum. What's up, guys? We're just showing up to the DFL's barbecue that they're having for us in this little town, and so we're just getting here. Here we are. Jim Dix smashed up 67. He had too many drinks at the Chinese food place. Munched in the back of a Hyundai on the highway. It's bad news. All right, not really. Somebody ran in the back of his car, so he's commemorating this head to the wall in his garage. So there you go. All right, here at the barbecue, so I'm gonna give you guys some, we're gonna walk around some of these cars and show you guys what's doing. I just met a guy from Norway that's driving this fastback. There's Jim Dick's car, poor car with the hood smashed. This is Mark Ray's car. So he drove from the UK with us, and then Russell's car from last year that he picked up used to be Don Metz's car. There's a red DKP bug maybe over there, not sure. Maybe DFL, no, maybe DKP. And then obviously Rick Sadler's car, and then the car referred to as the One. And then over here we've got some of the DFL club cars, possibly. But yeah, these guys do proper Cal-looks. The 48s. The big setup on here. So there's DFL, they're the ones that are putting this on. And so this is like an old farmhouse from back in the day, and they only rent it to people that are car guys because they have like a, I guess like maybe a community shop or something over here. But yeah, that's one of the DFL club members' cars. This is their logo. And I'll show you some more cars. These guys met up with us today. I think these guys are, I'm not 100% sure where they're from, but these guys met up with us later today. This is an old DKP car here out of Nebraska. Not sure whose car that is, but that's the old right-hand driver. This is Bill Schwimmer's car. And then this is the car that Russell built. That's a replica of Dean Kirsten's first car. So Dean Kirsten's first 67 that he had, was identical to this car. They built this car off of pictures. We're going to be doing a podcast with a lot of detail about this car, so you'll have to check out the podcast about. They copied the identical Brad's interiors, the mill turn door sills, you know, the carpet kit. What's really cool is like the speakers behind the seat on the kick panels. You know, there's a lot of really cool parts and pieces that are on this dude. And Dino just drove it over here, and he said it's pretty surreal to drive this thing. You know, it's just like his, you know, just like his car that he had back in the day. So here's another DFL car, super cool. This belongs to a guy named Sven. So right here, big chunky 48s on there. The gold 5-spokes, classic look. It's a 1960 bug, rag top, seat delete action. Ready for some full race business. Just a nice proper stance to Cal-look. 1600 two-tone. And then this is the oval up there. You'll remember it's a 54 right-hand drive rag top. He was on that's Mark. That's Mark's original car that he had with us on the trip. He had to fly back for his daughter's 21st birthday. Then he flew back and just drove here today in that right-hand drive 54 from Bad Camberg. So this looks like we got a notch back here with some diamond pleat interior, 5130 Cosmics. This looks like a 69 to 70 bug. They say 60, 69 maybe. Notcher's got the deck lid closed, the Speedwell steering wheel. It's another a DFL car. There's another DFL car right here. Der Pfizer Luftcoolers. Check out the steering wheel on this bad boy. It's got the big old the shifter, empty shifter on there, and then the motor's all pancake until you get to the carburetors. So it's got the old 48 IDAs, super clean engine compartment. So it looks pretty nice. And this car is from Germany as well. So I think this belongs to Russell. Russell! No, I can't hear me. I'll get more detail on this dude right here. Probably overdub it if I have to. But yeah. But obviously original BRMs. This is Jim Dick's Gia. That's another one of the DFL guys. Oval. 53 maybe. No, yeah. It's got the ribbed door panel, so could be a 53. We'll see. What year is this? I'm figuring 53 because of the hearts, but it's got the ribbed door handles. Take a little tiptoe in this garage over here, what they got happening. Looks like this motor's got a big nasty Type 4. Looks like a brand new motor over here. So you can tell, look at the transacts on here. This is a 5-speed gearbox, IRS converted. George would be saying this is the way. So that's what we got happening right now with this dude. So this is the insides of these shops. This one's obviously got a lift. You can take a look. It's all like rough sawn wood. You know, got the old dungeon over here. Crazy. Old super thick walls. Made of stone. Double cab over there, ready for some business. As you keep coming through here, get this guy's got the motorcycles in here. He's clearly a motorcycle guy. Give me this next one here. There's the Jag, the Gia, the Fiat. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. You got the early Gia. Is it a low light? It's not a low light Gia. The old head mueller under construction. So a lot of cool stuff in this little garage hangout. And I'm gonna tell you right now, what a spread. These guys got a serious spread going over here. Are you ready, Megan?
Ready?
Oh, she knows how those work.
I do. Yeah, no,
Hey, Owen, light him up, light him up. Don't you scratch that car. Don't scratch that car.
Just need a little water. I don't know who he's fooling because we ain't doing shit.
This is a lot of talk. We gotta talk. What are you doing on cobblestone streets?
We saw you bended the needle, but in the back was so reversed.